There is something refreshing and life-giving about a clean, uncluttered kitchen. The kitchen is usually located in a high-traffic area of the home, and kitchen is often used as a collection area for odds and ends. So let's declutter our kitchen for this coming festival and make our kitchen organized with more storage. I will try to declutter my kitchen by very simple ways. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Declutter chopping board or select that chopping board that is not in use or it's hard to clean now. Donate it to someone or use it for some DIYs and buy new one. Some extra trays not in use or got scratched. Again, use it for some DIYs or use it in a cabinet. Use it to place oil bottles or spice jars. This is just a motivational video. What you need or what you don't need, it all depends on you. Don't get influenced with others, go with your own choice. Use some organizer to hold all your chopping boards and trays. It will be organized in one place. Declutter your pans that is not in use. I am not using this aluminum dekchi, so replacing it with new stainless steel one. No need to say aluminum is bad for health. Reduce your slash of plasticware. If you don't want to discard plastic container or use less but want to keep them, then organize them in one basket and keep them above the cabinet. Remove duplicates and little used items. Evaluate all the items in your kitchen by asking yourself the right question. Do I need it? If you have rarely or never used a tool, bowl, strainer, spoon or storage container, then it's probably not really necessary to keep. Discard them or donate some needy. That I have some extra strainers and some balance. To avoid declutter, hang your utensils and cups. Discard your linen. Discard old towels and replace it with new. Towels that you are using for long months or years and it is not gentle for your hand, discard them. I discard my old towels and bought new ones. Place all your hand towels in a box which have lid and place it in a cabinet. In a meanwhile, let me take few seconds to tell something about Mera Link Bulbul website. It's a very friendly website. You will get COD, free delivery, 5 days return policy and the deal of the day with variety of products and organizer in very reasonable rate. You can place your order in WhatsApp number given on the screen. Link of Mera Link is in the description box. If you want to install the app, the link is in description. Replace old apron with new one. This apron I am using since years, so this year I am definitely replacing it with new one. This fridge cover is old enough now. As you can see, some particles are coming out. So time to donate it. Clear the counters. If your counters are cluttered, keeping mixer, toaster, rice cooker and other electrical appliances, canister, chopping board, etc. If you don't use them regularly, give them a proper space in one cabinet. We usually have more than one casseroles. Just check whether all are in good conditions. Like mine, one is damaged, so I will donate it. Cluttered sink. Put away any extra cleaning supplies, soap, scrubbers, brushes, that currently clutter up the sink area. For festival look, you can simply change it with a simple tray and beautiful dispensers. Now, sink area will no longer look cluttered. Many cups. We all have so many cups, so do I. Use old cup as DIY plant holder or donate them or discard them. You will get some extra space for other necessary things. I have this very old aluminum cooker, using it since years, but now replacing it with new stainless steel cooker. Replacing my old dosa tawa with a new non-stick tawa. Keychains are collection of knick-knack items like rubber bands, batteries, so many hooks, keys, etc. and some of the stuff that even does not belong to the keychain. Give each of them a proper place, as I use old jars and canes to keep hooks. And use this old spice box to organize all the hooks. And I keep all these hooks in this tray, so that everything will be in one place and no clutter over the kitchen. This is wooden organizer with 4 drawers that I use to organize all the knickknacks like rubber band, etc. in these drawers. And even we can use this type of plastic drawers. This type of drawer organizer are very helpful to organize all our knickknacks that are cluttering our kitchen. So by applying simple method, I declutter my kitchen. I hope my ideas of decluttering kitchen for coming festival will be helpful for you too. Please do consider subscribing my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.